Hi there. This is a little complicated puzzle box that I have made, which requires this drawer with three locks, 1, 2, and 3, to be removed or rather pushed in from each side from this hole here and these two on this side before it can be released. So this drawer needs to come out. So what I'm going to just demonstrate by showing the way to do it, how to get this drawer out. So this is the first lock over here. So when you try to push it and you see that there is a obstruction, the axle doesn't go in, so there's something obstructing. So I guess you could push it ahead from here, but this isn't going in further. And if you see, there is a axle inside, which if I push out of the way, it goes in, and then I try from here, this pushes it in further in. So now let's try. What was obstructing has gone, and we can, we got to push this obstruction out of the way too. That's two obstructions out of the way, and that's the first lock in. That's one. Now the second again has an obstruction, so maybe we push this back in. Okay, we align the holes here. Yep, we can go in further, but still we're not being able to go further down. So we turn the wheel and we've gone in further. Can push the second lock. That's lock number 2. Right. Now that leaves, it's halfway out already. Now that leaves lock number 3 in the center hole here. So now we try. It doesn't go in further, so maybe we need to push this in. Does it go in? Still obstructing. So let's see. Maybe something on this side. Can't go in. So we turn this axle back. Try this. So that's gone in now. Try from here. That went in. We try from here. Yep, we've gone in further. Push that lock in, and voila, all 3 locks are inside.